Hello again. Welcome to English Language Shelf. In this series, we will discuss about direct and indirect narrations or sentences. So let's start with part 1. Basically, direct and indirect narrations, they cover total 7 things. The basic is the first two, direct speech, which is also called reporting speech, and the second is indirect speech, which is also known as reported speech. Apart from these two, we have some rules for pronouns, and if we have some types of sentences, like 4 types of sentences, then what are the rules for making indirect narrations in these types of sentences? And same goes with the tenses and with modals and adverbs and demonstratives. You can also see that I have underlined the word tenses in the sentence. Though the spelling of tense is not same as in the word sentence and the word tense itself, but both are homonyms, okay? So, sorry, they are homophones. They are homophones. They have the same sound. Not homonyms, homophones. They have the same sound. So I want to give you a clue that if it comes to sentences, then obviously you have to change the tense of the narration or sentence. So basically, from simple present we are supposed to change to simple past. From present continuous we are supposed to change to past continuous. So in this series I will tell you about all of them and their rules, and if there are some exceptions I will also include those. So let's dive into some examples of direct and indirect narrations. You can see in this table that whatever the case be, whether pronoun, interrogative, declarative, or simple present to simple past, the point is direct speech is a narration that has the exact words of the speaker. For example, George said, I cannot come now. So George himself is saying these words. And if, let's say, I am the one who heard from George those words and I want to tell in my own words, so that is actually indirect narration, which means that the words of the actual speaker being said by someone else. It is being said by someone else. For example, I would basically say, George said that he could not come now. Similarly, if there is a question like Peter said, are you from India? So I would like to tell that what Peter asked me, and so I will say, Peter asked if I was from India. So you can give it a pause. You can pause this video and look at the examples thoroughly. And there is also another slide. Simple case like simple past to past perfect, past continuous to past perfect continuous. So basically, these are, you can say, set rules that if you have a direct speech in simple past, you have to change it into indirect by making it past perfect. For example, bought, it is simple past. But if you want to make an indirect narration of this sentence, then you will make it past perfect, had bought. Similarly, past continuous, it will be past perfect continuous. Was leaving, had been leaving. And if we have models like, may I come in? Michael asked if he could come in. So these are some rules. Basically, this is just an introductory video. You can again look at the examples by pausing the video and just moving between the two slides. Remaining, I will continue in part 2 of this series, wherein I will tell you about the rules. So guys, to learn about those rules, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, give it a like. If you have some questions or doubts, you can ask me and share your words in the comment section. And share this lecture with your friends and family. My channel, English Language Shelf. So waiting to see you all in the next part 2 of this video.